Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change story privacy on Facebook. Right, so for example, I will just create a story here. So I will just select one of the image which I want to put that story. And once you here, you can see there's a settings gear icon. Once you tap on the settings gear icon, you will get a privacy option. So here, for example, I want to share this my story only to custom people, right? So here, if I just type custom, I can just select one of my friends. For example, I want to share to only this person. I can select that, and I have to go back and I have to click on save, right? There's another option which I can only share my story to my friends, right? If I can also hide my story, some of my friends or followers or whatever people who is available in this Facebook platform. If I want to share it to my Instagram, I have to turn this on. If I don't, then I will just make sure that this is turned off. Here, these are the other settings, but here these are the main settings, right? So if you want to, all the privacy settings apply on all the stories as well as in the post, photos, images, videos, everything, whatever do your Facebook post, right? So this is the one of the method you can just turn off directly whenever you're posting something. If you want to post, for example, let's go back, right? And here I will show you. For example, you have to just click on create a story, go to the settings gear icon which is on the top right, and you will get an option. So you can change these settings for all your posts. For example, if you post something 7 or 8 times in a day, if you want to make sure post to certain people or particular people, you can just select from it, and you don't need to change the settings again and again on each post or story. I hope you understood each and everything. If you did, make sure to like this video,